and this is a stream. We're going to be doing an overview. Today's a very important day, obviously, for markets. Fed funds rate gets released, and we're expecting a 25 basis point cut, more than we expected for this year. All right, so we're expecting we'll kind of go through the market expectations here with the Fed funds futures. That market is very accurate at predicting what the funds rate is going to be and what kind of setting economists' expectations. So we'll kind of show you guys what they've been predicting for today's meeting, and also I'll kind of show you guys some trades that I was watching, but clearly the market's leaving without us. Now it is a news day, and so obviously there's going to be more volatility than usual. And so I'll kind of, as a reminder to everybody, this is not financial advice, but if you are day trading, understand that number one, you don't have an obligation to trade high impact news days, right? It's the most dangerous time. There's the risk of whatever platform you're using penalizing you for trading in those conditions, either through the market, like the price conditions themselves, spread and slippage and some of those other externalities, or if you're trading with a funded account or one of these other prop firms, there's the risk that you're not going to get paid out because of violations of some kind of rule or the other. So number one, remember that you don't have the expectation or you don't have the obligation to trade high impact news days. And the most beautiful thing is when everybody's losing their money and you're on the sidelines, that's when you can learn the most about trading. You're seeing all of your own bad behaviors reflected in third person, and you're kind of just seeing everybody losing their minds, and you're like, God, I hope I don't look like that, when I'm trading. And so if you guys are kind of newer to trading, take advantage of these. There's only about 8 a year that you can, like, these are the highest impact news days. And so you can learn a lot. Now, the second kind of trading reminder I'll give everybody is I was having a conversation with a trader friend of mine, and then they kind of like their perspective that they kept asking me questions from was, do I trade the market? Now, I don't even know what the market is. Like, what I'm saying? We kind of think about this like concept of the market, whatever. There's different providers like the NASDAQ quotations, and then there's the New York Stock Exchange, and then there's the Chicago Mercantile Exchange, and then there's the the New York Mercantile Exchange, the NYMEX. And these are all different systems of quoting price and then kind of aggregating orders. There's no there's this ethereal kind of big market. Yes, I trade a system. Okay. And so the price might be moving now. That has nothing to do. The sky's blue. That is like, it's an irrelevant. It's like, okay, that's interesting. It's irrelevant to the fact of what I'm doing here and what my obligation and my job is as a day trader. So I am not here to take advantage of this price movement today. I'm not here to trade this market. I'm here to trade my system. If my system is not present, I have no trades. And that's the difference. It's a perspective shift from thinking that you're trading the market, because then whatever the market is doing, if it's moving, you kind of feel obligated to be in. So think about from the perspective of you're trading a system. If it's not there, then it's not there. Show up every day. Don't trade every day. That's the reminder. All right.